morning all. Am I audible too? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please ask others to join fast. Okay, what we have discussed in previous lecture. What we have discussed in previous lecture. I'm asking something. Bhavya, what we have discussed in previous lecture. See, if you are not giving me acknowledgement, then I'll simply remove you from the meeting. Okay, so choice is yours. Bhavya, are you there? 24. Bhavya. Roll number 66. Jen C. Roll number 66.
Yes, ma'am.
What we have discussed in previous lecture.
Ma'am, I don't remember.
Why? You was absent?
No, ma'am.
You were absent?
No, I was present at last lecture, but I don't remember.
164. Pratna. 164. One 165.
Yes, ma'am.
Nandini. What
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
discussed in previous lecture.
Ma'am, I don't want.
Yes.
No idea, ma'am.
क्यों स्लीप मोड में था? स्लीप मोड में थे आप प्रीवियस लेक्चर में?
No, ma'am. No,
सभी
no.
बच्चे स्लीप मोड में थे? किसी को कुछ पता ही नहीं है? कहाँ ध्यान था सबका? भव्य, व्हाई यू आर ज्वाइन अगेन? भले यहाँ ज्वाइन हुए हो, आपकी अटेंडेंस नहीं होगी, ठीक है?
Ma'am, last
भव्य, आई एम
time,
आस्किंग टू यू. यस प्लीज, कौन बोल रहा था? स्पीक.
हाँ मैम लास्ट टाइम आपने मर्ज शॉट चल रहा था.
Okay, mud shot. What is the complexity for mud shot, Dhaval? ID number 2. ID number 2. ID number 2. Are you there? Dhaval, I'll remove you. Okay. Don't join again. Jai, 21. Jai, 21.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
And
complexity for mud shot?
log n.
Good. So we'll see the best case and worst case scenario in the both cases, right? In case of mud shot, we'll know that what we are doing, we are finding the median when divided, bit divide according to the median up to whenever we'll give the single element, right? So according to that, if we see that key, if there is n number of elements, so there is the possibility of log n steps are there, log n divisions are there. So we can say that the complexity is n log n, right? Now the next topic is mud shot. Sorry, quick shot. Wait a minute. I'm sharing my screen. Those who are not giving me acknowledgement, I'll simply remove you from the meeting. Okay? You can ask your friends. यहाँ पे जो आते हैं 2D students I have, right? So you can ask them कि मैम remove कर रहे कि नहीं, ऐसे ही नहीं बोल रही मैं. Okay. So in the case of the mud shot, whenever we are doing the division, what we are doing, we are always finding the mid element, right? After that, we'll see that how we'll get the last element, and then we do the procedure of the recurrence, and then we'll get the shorted element, right? So for that, we'll check that low less than is high. Then after, if it is condition true, then we'll find the mid. According to mid, we can do the low plus high divide by 2. Then we'll check that our list will be divided into left hand side and right hand side, right? And then we'll find the recurrence relation, and we know that the complexity is n log n, right? Now tell me, anyone knows about the quick shot procedure? Anyone knows about the quick shot procedure? What we are doing in the quick shot? कैसे करते हैं? Already studied in data structure. बोलो कैसे करते हैं? Muthu sir?
We select a pivot element and then transfer all the other elements according to that.
So which element will choose as pivot element? Muthu sir, which element will choose as pivot element? How can you?
Median. We will find median. We take median as a pivot.
Only will choose mid element as pivot, or any other possibility?
First and last element, and also
First element, first and last element.
First and last element, good. 27. Any other possibility? First and last and median के अलावा और कोई possibility है? Rule number 27. Rule number 27. Don't join again, I'll remove you. Okay. Rule number 4. Yes, Soumya?
I wanted to give the answer.
Yes, Soumya, you are not clearly audible, beta.
I wanted to give the answer, ma'am.
Yes, please speak up.
Any random element we can select as pivot.
Good. See,
Other
so in the mud shot, we always do the division based on the mid location. So what we are doing, we are always doing low plus high divide by 2, or we'll get the mid in case of mud shot, right? Here we are choosing the pivot element, right? So what we can do, there is a number of possibilities to choose the pivot element. We can choose the first, we can choose the nth, matlab last element, we can choose any random element, or we can choose the mid element, right? So these all are the possibilities of choosing the pivot, right? In the mud shot, will follow similarly kind of thing, that we are finding the mid, but here we don't follow this procedure. We are not going to find the mid, right? What we are doing, we are follow the partitioning algorithm. Yes or no? First of all, in the case of quick shot, we do the partitioning, right? After doing the partitioning, then we apply the quick shot approach on the particular list or particular array, right? So quick shot padne se pehle you have to understand that how partitioning is working, right? So let's see that how partition is working. So initially I have one array P and R. R is the, we can say that last element, right? And X of R, that is considered as the pivot element. So whatever you choose pivot element, that is your X of A, X is equal to A of R, right? Where we have to put, this is my index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my location P. Just a second. So this is my location of P, where I have to set my I, See, where I have to set my I is equal to at P minus 1. So initially I'll set I over here, not at the P location. It is P minus 1, right? So at the 0th location, or we can say that P minus 1 location. Where I have to put my J I can put at the P location, the first location J. Okay, J can travel, I can say that J can travel up to P to R minus 1. What is your R? Currently I'm choose the pivot element as 7, or I can say that this is R, which is your nth element or last element. So R minus 1 tak J travel kar sakta hai, right? So up to 7th location. In this case, at up to 7th location, R can travel, right? After that, we have to check that here I'll choose that X of R, sorry, A of R as 7. So my last element I'll choose as the pivot element, right? Understand strategy? What I have choose? Yes or no? Or
Yes,
repeat?
ma'am.
Again, I'm repeating that according to the what we have to perform, we have to first perform the partitioning, right? So let's perform the partitioning. I'm choosing X. I'm choosing 7 and the last element as the pivot. So 7 is my pivot. So I can write X is equal to A of R. What is my pivot element? That is 7. And this is at the last location. According to algorithm, I have to set my I. It is at the P minus 1 location. So I set it over here. According to the algorithm, I have to choose my J at the I have to put my J on the P. So here my P. And J can travel up to R minus 1. So this is the R's location, and J can travel up to 7, this one, right? So here we know that what is the pivot element? The pivot element is the 7, right? Okay. So now whenever we'll travel or whenever we'll swap something, so we have to increment and increment I and increment J, right? So whenever J value is less than the pivot element. Sorry, J value is less than the pivot element. Then your J will be increment. Okay, right? Okay. Sorry, I have to reverse thing. And then you have to check for the ith location. And if it is smaller, then it will be increment. If it is larger, then you have to stop and then I will be increment. Okay, let's see the procedure. Here it is J. Right, on the your J is on the J value is 9. So J is higher or lesser? So J is greater than, sorry, reverse bola. J is greater than, then you have to increment J, right? And J is lesser, then you have to increment I, and then you have to swap the value, right? Okay, now check J is greater than or lesser. J is greater than or lesser. Greater. Tell me, 9 is greater than the 7. We have to check the pivot location. 9 is greater than 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So we'll
Yes.
increment J. Now my J is over here. Now check for the 6. 6 is lesser or greater?
Less than 7.
Less than 7. So we'll stop the J and we'll increment the I. Now my ith location is that. After doing that, you have to exchange A of I and A of J, right? So what I do, A of I and A of J. What is A of I? 9. And what is A of J? 6. So I'll swap this according to this algorithm. So I'll exchange A of I and with A of J, right? So here my value is 9. Sorry, 6. And here I have a 9. Now J is greater than or less than? J is greater than the 7?
Greater
Yes
than.
or no? So we'll increment J, right? Now check, J is greater or lesser?
Less than 7.
Less than 7. So what we'll do, we'll increment I. After doing, again, we are exchanging A of I with A of J. So my 9 and 5 will be changed over here. So my 5 will be here and 9 will be here. Here 5 and here 9, right? Now J is again greater than, I'll increment my J will be here. J is lesser now, see. 0 is less than 7, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So again, what we do, we increment our I. Now check again. again we are going to swap this A of I and A of J. So my 0 and 9 will be over here. 0 and 9. Okay. Now again J is greater than the 7. What we are doing? क्या करेंगे हम? What we have to do over here? Which I increment or J increment? Which increment, I or J?
J, ma'am.
J, right? So J is here. See, again, what is this scenario? 8 is greater than the 7. So what we can do? Again, we are increment J. Yes or no? Greater than hai J. So again, we are increment J.
Yes.
Now I'm here. Now it is lesser. So now I'll increment I and now my I will be here. Now I'll swap A of I with A of J. So 8 as it is रहेगा, 2 or 9 swap होगा. So my 2 is over here and 9 is over here. So here 2 and here 9, right? Okay. See again, 9 is greater than, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So J will be increment. Okay, now J is smaller, so we'll increment I. Now A of I and A of J will be exchanged. So 4 will be here, 8 will be here. 4 will be here, 8 will be here. Now I can increment J. Tell me, क्या अब मैं increment कर सकती हूँ J को? J plus plus is possible?
No, ma'am.
J,
No, ma'am.
no. Why? Because what is the condition? You can travel J up to P2 R minus 1. So here, this is the location of R minus 1. So I can't swap or I can't increment now J, right? Okay, after doing this, the last condition C. After you'll increment J and you reach at the location of R minus 1. Now I am at the location of R minus 1. After that, you have to exchange A of A plus I with A of R. What is our A of R? 7. What is A of I? This is, right? Okay. So क्या करना है? Exchange A of I plus 1. A of I plus 1 means this location. Understand what I'm saying? A of I plus 1 मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 at the location number, index number 6. 6 A of I plus 1 with A of R. So 9 और 7 आपको exchange करना है. So 7 and 9. 7 and 9. So this is the 6th index number, that is your pivot location. Now check all the right hand side and left hand side element. All the left hand side element is smaller and all the right hand side element is larger. So when you can say that particular element is sorted, you have to check left hand side and right hand side value. All the left hand side value is smaller and right hand side value is larger. So you can see that 7K left hand side, all 6, 5, 0, 4, 2, 4, all are the less than the 7. And on the right hand side, all are the greater than the 7. Now we can say that 7 is sorted element. Understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Parth, Rishit, Kunj, Dhruva.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में
Yes,
आया
ma'am.
partitioning?
Yes, ma'am.
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear how partitioning is performed according to this scenario? Okay, now we can say that 7 is a sorted element. Okay, after that we apply the quick shot over here after performing the partitioning. Now ये example है, example 2. In that your 11th element is pivot. I'm taking this one. Sorry, 11th element this one. 12th index number and element x of x is equal to A of R and my A of R is 11. Now do the partitioning. Chalo, fast. You have to solve this and tell me the location for 11. कौन से index number पे आएगा? Right? Now start working on it fast. Only I'll give you 5 minutes. That is enough for you. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to tell the index number of 11, where it will be after partitioning.
What?
We have to find out the index number of where 11 will be there after partition.
Yes. So here,
Same as the
what
above.
is the index? Same as the above. Here, index number is 6. Okay, for the 7. So you have to check that all left hand and right hand side elements. Okay, lesser and greater. You have to check that.
Okay, ma'am.
મેમ આ પાઇવોટ લાસ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ લેવાનું કોઈ ખાસ કારણ?
No, that is not a particular reason for that, right? I'm just providing as a example. There is no necessary reason for that. I'm just teaching you the partitioning, right? If you already know, that's fine. But so many students are there who don't have idea about the partitioning. So that's why this is just example. Now, after complete it, tell me what is the index number for that. If you want to give me answer, then also fine. Otherwise, you can drop the answer in chat box.
मैम 1 बेस्ड इंडेक्स करना है या फिर 0 बेस पे?
That is up to you. Okay, if it is 0, then एक minus आएगा. If it is 1, तो एक plus आएगा. So that is not necessary कि you have to choose from 0 or 1. Okay, that is up to you. That's total fine. Done or not? हो जाना चाहिए. It is very easy. Just for the practice.
Um,
88. Roll number 88.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm doing. Just a minute.
Yes. Done or not? Kunj? Kushi? Done or not, beta? Please acknowledge me. Hirwa? कितनी देर लगती है?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. What is the index number?
Yeah, ma'am, if we start from like 0, then it will be 7, or if 1, then it will be 8.
Good. Okay. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's sorry. Again, I'm sharing this. Okay. So I hope कि you'll know that how we can do the partitioning. अब दोनों का हुआ? Confuse हो गया ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. Do it, right? Okay. So now let's perform the quick shot over here, right? So if I'm talking about this thing that we know that if there is the n number of elements are there and if we are doing the partitioning, so the complexity is On for the partitioning. I'm not talking about the quick shot. If we have n number of elements, so we are doing the partitioning over on the left hand side and right hand side. So we can say that there is the complexity for partitioning is On, right? Now let's move to the quick shot. So what quick shot says that same thing, we have array value and some the pivot location. Then after we have to check that p less than is r. The p that means this. Okay, we have to check the index number and this is our r. So 1 less than r, condition 2. After that we have to perform the partitioning, right? So what partitioning is done, you know that over here. So here you have to perform the partitioning algorithm, right? After that, you have to apply the quick shot. In the quick shot, you have to check the left hand side and right hand side. For that, you have to do the q minus 1, and in that q plus 1 to r, right? So we'll see what happened during this partitioning whenever apply into the quick shot, right? So in the mud shot, basically what we are doing, we are checking, assume that this is low and high, right? And we check the low less than high, there's condition true, and we are finding the mean value. But here we are not doing this, right? We are doing the partitioning over here. So first condition is true, p less than r, yes, 1 less than r, condition true. So we are doing the partitioning. If I'm doing the partitioning for this, what I get? This is my pivot. Chalo. So what I get? Give me the answer. What I get? If I'm doing the partitioning, answer it. What is the partitioning? Tell me. Is right. 5, 6. Tell me if I'm doing the partitioning, so what is the location for 4? Same question. Chalo, okay. Do it after that. Let's start with the partitioning. So how quick shot is working? So basically we are performing the quick shot. We are not finding the mean. So if I'm performing the quick shot for 1, 7, right? If I'm performing the quick shot for 1, 7, what is the 1, 7? This p and this r, right? Okay. So here I mentioned that something like 4. How I get 4? Anyone have idea? What is this 4? What is this 4? I mentioned over here 4.
And pivot element.
So at that 4 location, you say that pivot element. Are you sure? आपने check किया? आपने check किया? Is this pivot element? Is this pivot element? Other students asking something. Is this pivot element?
Yes, ma'am. Once से start करेंगे तो 4 पे pivot element आएगा.
4 पे pivot element आएगा. Okay. So assume that this is your pivot location, right? Okay. So after that pivot location, after doing the partitioning, what we have to do? We have to find the quick shot for left hand side and right hand side. So can I write that quick shot of 1 does index number 1 and q minus 1. So that is assume that this is our pivot location, that is q. So what is q minus 1? This is 3. So we have to now perform the quick shot on 1/3, 1 and 3. And right hand side q plus 1. What is q plus 1? 5. And the R element, that is 7, right? So now we have to perform the quick shot on 1 to 3, 1 say 3 or q quick shot on 5 to 7, right? Okay. Now we have two location, right hand side and left hand side. So यहाँ पे आप quick shot perform करोगे और यहाँ पे आपको quick shot perform करना है. Okay. So if I'm performing the quick shot for this 3 element, 5, 7, 6. Okay. I'm not doing the partitioning. I'm just randomly taking it. You have to apply after doing the partitioning, right? So if I'm performing the quick shot on this 3, so which location I get the pivot? I assuming that is 2, right? Definitely there is 2. So that is 2. So after that, I have to perform the quick shot on 1, 1. This q minus 1, p of q minus 1. So what this is q. So q minus 1 is definitely this, and p also definitely this one. Q quick shot on 1, 1, and on the right hand side quick shot on 3, 3. Same for this right hand side. We perform the partitioning up to 5 to 7. Right. So here I mentioned the partitioning up to 5 to 7. Okay. 3, 2, and 4, and I have a location 5, 6, 7, right? Okay, so if I'm performing the quick shot on 5 to 7, so partitioning of 5 to 7, okay, then quick shot on left hand side and right hand side. So if I'm talking about, if I'm performing 5 to 7, if I'm talking about, then on the right hand side, I'll get the 5, 4, and on the right hand side, I'll get to 6, 7. Okay, so the I and J will be exchanged. So we can say that this is not valid partition, or this is not valid quick shot. So we can't consider this. Now we'll consider 6 and 7, and I'm doing the quick shot on 6 and 7. So for the quick shot on 6 and 7, we have to do the partitioning on 6 and 7, and then we'll get the quick shot on 6x6 and 7, 7. Now we have a single element, and we'll stop the procedure. Again, I'm repeating the whole procedure. What we have to do. I'm clearing out this. Okay. Again, I'm starting it. We have to do the quick shot, perform on the quick shot on 1 to 7. First, what we are performing, we are performing the partitioning on this 1 to 7. So I'm performing the partitioning. So that's why I mentioned P. After that, we'll get some location for that pivot element. Then after, we are performing the quick shot on right hand side and left hand side. So this is for the left hand side and this is for the right hand side, right? Because it is dividing into the two part, left and right hand side. Now this is 1, 3 and 5, 7 I have. So now I have to perform quick shot on 1, 3 and quick shot on 5, 7. If I'm performing the quick shot on 1, 3, first I'll have to perform partitioning on 1, 3. Then after, I'll get the two list, left hand side and right hand side. So I'll find that ki abhi ek element hai. So now I stop the procedure for this left hand side. Now remaining, which is 5, 7, right? So partitioning on 5, 7. If I'm performing the partitioning on 5, 7, so I'll get that 5, 4 and 6, 7. So that is not valid. So that's why I'm moving on to 6, 7. So ye consider hi nahi hoga. So quick shot on 6, 7. If I'm performing the quick shot on 6, 7, I have to perform partitioning on 6, 7. Then you have to perform the 6, 6, and then you have to perform 7, 7. So what you have to do, you have to stop the procedure when you will get the single element. Then you have to store the recursively, right? If now you want to perform, assume that you want to do the analysis for that. Okay. Now, if you want to do the analysis for that, so we'll know that for the analysis, we have two criteria, best case scenario and worst case scenario, right? So now tell me, if I'm saying that I have to perform the best case, so assume that if you get the best case scenario, so then you'll get always your pivot element is the mid location, right? I'm assuming that is not surely. So what I'm saying, whenever you'll get the pivot location is always in mid. So what you get, so if I have n element, so always you will get mid n by 2, n by 2, right? Again, it is mid, we can say that n by 4, n by 4, right? So whenever you pivot location, always you will get the find, it is exactly look like the mud shot. So for this, there is n log n is complexity, theta n log n, because n elements are there, n steps, n log n steps are there. So we can say that theta n log n element. Why? Base case scenario means that whenever your pivot location is mid location, always you will find that location for the pivot is middle. अगर वो middle में है तो same mid जो हम not shot में करते थे कि will get the mid, right? So n by 2, n by 4, n by 4, so there is n log n step. So that's why in the base case it is n log n. But if it is not necessary that your pivot location is always middle, if it is middle, then that is base case. अगर middle नहीं है, random है, last है, तो you will get a scenario like this. On the right hand side you will get n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4. ये left hand side भी हो सकता है, one this side if you are choosing one or last, or if you are choosing the random. So that is the worst case scenario. So whenever the worst case scenario, the complexity is O(n) square, right? So that is not n log n. So there is two possibilities for the quick shot analysis, base case and worst case. When you get the base case, whenever you'll get the middle element for pivot element is always in the mid location, exactly like the mud shot. Or if you're getting the random element first location, last location for the pivot, so we can say that time it is worst case scenario, right? So now if you want to do the analysis, or if you want to maintain the complexity or recurrence relation, as we have seen that master theorem, right? So kaise karenge, let's see. So here I'm doing for the base case. So in the base case, we know that if assume that for this step, it requires T of n time, right? For the partitioning, we know that for the partitioning, the complexity is order of n. For the quick shot, left hand side and right hand side, we are dividing into the n by 2, n by 2. Why? Because I'm talking about the base case. So we'll assume that the pivot location is always in the middle. So what is our recurrence relation? I can write T of n. I'm adding this thing, 2t n by 2 plus order of n, or you can write only n. If order of n, it is constant also, so you can write only n also, right? So now tell me which case is satisfied over here. In the case of master, you know the complexity theta and log n, but tell me which case satisfy over here according to the master theorem. कौन सा केस सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है? चलो फास्ट, you have to just identify a, b and k value, log a base b and k value.
Log equals to k.
Case 1, 2, 3. Case 1 है, 2 है, 3 है. If it is case 1, case 2 and case 3, if case 2 or case 3, there is number of possibilities, 3 and 2 possibilities. So you have to identify which case and in that which possibilities. Complexity you already know, right? But I don't want complexity, you have to give me the case. Chalo, speak up fast. What is the complexity? Sorry, what is the case, not complexity? Speak up fast. Dhaval, which case satisfy over here? नाम लेके पूछना पड़ेगा मुझे. Trey. Dhaval, I'll remove you, okay? Trey. Trey, are you there? Roll number 34. Am I audible to you, all of you? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर आंसर
Yes,
क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो सब? Okay, those who are not giving me answer, it will be considered as the absent. Okay. Hirva, 45.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Which case
log
satisfy over here?
a of p is equals to k.
Okay, so case 2.
Yes.
So in that, which condition? There is a condition regarding P also.
Here P is not given, so we can consider P is equals to 0.
So that is regarding the base case. Now let's see for the worst case. So here we see that if it is worst case, right? So that is same T of n partitioning will remain T of n if it is assumed that from the pivot is first location to last location. Okay, so first, if I'm taking first, then T of 0 and T of n minus 1 for this left hand side and right hand side. So if I'm doing the recurrence operation for that, so we'll get the complexity of O(n) square, right? So base case scenario, so always get the middle element, that is n log n, and in the worst case, that is O(n) square, right? Okay, so that is random element. If I'm choose the first as a first location of the pivot location, right? ऐसे मुझे यहाँ पे मिल रहा है. Okay, so this is index number 1. So you'll get this like this. So that is O(n) square. O(n) square. Okay, clear up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are in the sleeping mode, okay, उनको बोल देना कि next time से lecture join करने की जरूरत नहीं है. For the attendance, there is no need to join in the lecture. Okay. Okay, now if you have no and if you have not doubt any, so then you can leave from the meeting. Thank you. And those who are not giving me answer, I will take as a absent student. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.